Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Taurus. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Taurus. If you want more clarity, guys, in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Fool, Seven of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles. So, in your circumstances, guys, Taurus, you are feeling really confident, cheerful about something. You see that in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your personal life, uh, things are happening, things are beginning to fall into place. So that is giving you more confidence, and you are someone really confident about your skills and talents. Again, that may be the reason for your happiness, and you have your intuition working for you, guys. Maybe when you are making some choices or when you are deciding on certain things, your intuition is guiding you, helping you today. So you feel really cheerful about the way things are going, and you have a notion or an idea that everything you do is going to go well, or your expectations are proving to be right today. That may be the reason for this confidence or cheerfulness. And you are someone who is a very talented person, responsible. So, in whatever situation you are in, you do that only when you are absolutely confident about something. But today, for some reason, maybe you have a lot of dreams and goals for your life, for your future, for your personal life, or for your career circumstance. So, you are making some choices, uh, some decisions today. For some of you, it may be impulsive choices, Taurus, in your work situation, maybe, or maybe in this relationship. So, you are thinking of something, maybe planning your future or expecting certain things in this relationship, and certain things have proved right for you. That may be the reason for your happiness. So, you want to, what to say, move towards your dreams or goals, maybe make some decisions about certain things. But your views and ideas, maybe your own views and ideas, guys, maybe you are, your point of view may be different from this person's point of view. They may have their own ideas, they may have their own vision. Something may differ between you both, so you cannot decide for both of you. So we will see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have 8 of wands. So looks like there is something positive. Maybe you both are having a better understanding today. Things are moving in the right way, things are speeding up between you both, and you are moving towards a deep committed relationship. Maybe you love each other's company and you want this relationship to work just like this person wants this relationship to work. So maybe Taurus, there is a happy news in this love, and things are going to fall into place in this relationship, maybe, and things are gaining momentum, speeding up. Maybe this person wants a committed relationship. Maybe they are planning for proposal or engagement. So it may be their energy or it may be your energy towards this relationship. So for your career circumstance, guys, we have 8 of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, maybe you have a lot of skills and talents. You have worked really hard, made a lot of efforts, but today maybe on certain things you may not have that clarity, guys. Maybe certain expectations you would have had regarding some projects or some assignments, or it may be some work related expectations. So on few decisions you have made, certain things may fail, certain things may get suspended or get delayed. So that may be the reason you may be a little stressed, but it is nothing that you cannot change, guys. It is something small, so you can always rectify the situation. That is what I feel, guys, Taurus. So that is the reading with these cards, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have a very loving and caring family and people who trust you, people who are truly concerned about you, and you need to appreciate the things in your life, guys. Maybe this family, the people you have, and the blessings you have. When you appreciate the blessings you have already, and when you are happy for whatever is there with you, you are going to, have that peace, happiness and contentment in your heart, and that happiness is going to radiate in all the facets of your life. So when you are feeling really blessed for this friendship you have with the people you love, maybe your parents, sibling or friends, or it may be even people in your work, the friendship you have, and when you find that happiness with them, when you try to find the blessing in any situation, just like finding the gem in the dirt and a star in the dark night. So whatever good quality these people have, or whatever goodness you feel from them, when you appreciate that, you are going to be more stronger, you are going to feel more strengthened. And maybe each and every one of us, we have the darker aspects of human nature and the brighter aspects. We have the negative things like anger and resentment inside us, but we should not reject that, guys. We must just accept it with honesty. When we do that, we are going to see so much happiness and abundance flowing in our situation, and we are going to strengthen the bond we have with the people we love. And the way we are cheerful, the way we are happy with the things we have today, maybe appreciate the blessings that we have. Many more blessings are or will flow towards us, guys, when we are happy for what we have today. And when we are doing good, we are only getting goodness back to us. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, this card, let's see what it is. And it is bronzite. So it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you were betrayed in the past and it was too much for you to handle, a lot of pain, a lot of sadness. But this crystal spirit reminds you that you can be much more wiser, you can be much more stronger today by extending trust once again, maybe in this relationship. But it may be quite challenging based on your past experience. You feel that you cannot trust anyone. But this crystal spirit cards tell you that you need to be really mindful of the signs. Maybe sometimes you may see sign for you to move back in a relationship, maybe take a step back and nurture yourself. When you see that, you must do that. But this card asks you to trust this person again, maybe give them another chance. It may be the past person or it may be this present person. So your past should not change the way you are seeing your present love, your present situation. So you need to be true to yourself, true, honest to yourself first. So what you truly feel in your heart of hearts. When you do that, you are going to be honest with that other person. And when you build that loving relationship with yourself, you will be able to build that loving and respectful relationship with another person. And remember, guys, you are always protected when you are divinely directed. So you must do the right thing you feel deep down in your heart. So whatever you feel is the honest choice or that honest decision, you must stand for that, guys. So your loyalty and steadfastness is what will be rewarded by the universe. So universe is here to guide you if you are really truthful. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.